Hello and welcome to part 6 of my French listening practice series. In today's video, we are going to listen an audio 2 times, first without subtitle and secondly with subtitles. I will also show you 5 questions from the audio and will give you 25 seconds to answer them. So let's start the video. First, I am playing the audio without subtitles. So listen carefully.
Bonjour. Je m'appelle Claire. J'ai 20 ans et j'habite à Lyon en France. Je suis étudiante en biologie. J'aime lire, écouter de la musique, et faire du sport. Le week-end, je vais souvent au parc avec mes amis. Nous jouons au football et nous parlons beaucoup. J'ai un chat. Il s'appelle Minou. Il est petit, noir et très mignon.
So this was the audio without subtitles. How much have you understood? A little bit? No problem, because now I'm going to play the audio with subtitles. So listen again carefully.
Bonjour. Je m'appelle Claire. J'ai 20 ans et j'habite à Lyon en France. Je suis étudiante en biologie. J'aime lire, écouter de la musique, et faire du sport. Le week-end, je vais souvent au parc avec mes amis. Nous jouons au football et nous parlons beaucoup. J'ai un chat. Il s'appelle Minou. Il est petit, noir et très mignon.
Now you have listened the audio 2 times with subtitles and without subtitles. I hope you are able to understand the audio. Now it's time to do some exercise. I'm going to show you 5 questions from the audio and you have 25 seconds to answer them. Your time starts now. Now let's find out the answer to these questions. So these are the answers to these questions. And please comment in the comment box that how many questions have you answered correctly. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more listening practice videos. Thanks for watching. À la prochaine.